What's going on, everybody? This is James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics, and today we've got a dent on the rear door of a 2025 BMW iX. Jumping right in here, you guys saw that dent without the dent repair light on it. Now take a look at it with the light on it. You can clearly see a lot more detail. You can see all the little low spots in that dent and how big it is and where it begins and ends. You can also see all these little pushes that I'm making as I try to bring this metal up. This is an electric vehicle. It is an aluminum door, and we are behind a brace. Using a light like this is critical when doing a dent repair. As those lines come together, we know that the metal is straightening out. We're making just a lot of little pushes on this dent to bring the metal all up totally evenly. We move our light around as the repair progresses, just so that as the dent shape changes, we're looking at it properly, making sure that we're not leaving anything low. And I'm sure you guys can see that scratch in the dent as well. There we go. That dent looked pretty good from one angle. You turn your light and then you start to see these little lows. So we're going to continue pushing this thing up before we buff this scratch out, and we want to get this thing as perfect as we can. This vehicle is being demoed by a sales manager at a dealership. It is a dealership car. No one's going to buy this thing with a dent and scratch in it. So really taking our time here, making nice solid pushes and getting this metal up completely level and making this dent disappear. After a little bit of buffing, we're going to take one last look at this thing and make sure that if there's any lows that we missed, we go ahead and push them up, and then we'll take a look at our final product. Look at that. That dent came out incredible. This thing is frontline ready. I can't wait for someone to buy this vehicle. They'll never know that a dent was there.